adventure motorcycle segment is a very authentic space for KLIM. Some of our very first motorcycle products were in this space, and the more we continue to offer products within the category, the more positive traction we're seeming to get. So in 2018, we decided to launch our very first women's adventure kit called the Artemis. And I was so excited to be the product developer on that. It was this movement of being designed and developed by women for women. And it was such an impactful way and thoughtful kit to introduce into the market that we actually have a lot of the same features and functions of the original chassis still in the redesign of the Artemis that you're gonna see. This kit is designed and developed with the world traveler in mind. And it's been really interesting to see how internally we have talked about her in the past. Originally, when we launched her, we felt like she was more of a companion piece to a Badlands or a Carlsbad. But over time, she has really taken on her own personality. We have heard from a lot of riders and women that are going out there and riding the world by themselves and providing us with feedback that have helped influence this new redesign. When talking about riding for days at a time, it is really important that you're selecting durable gear that is going to protect you, especially when you're considering all of these extremely remote landscapes that you're navigating. It's important to make sure that the gear that you have is going to protect you. So for us, that starts with our durable materials that we've selected. We're going to see a lot of that 2-layer performance Gore-Tex. We've paired that up with 630 denier Cordura ripstop, and we've also highlighted some of the primary impact zones with super fabric. Having holes in your garment is an extremely inconvenient problem to have, so we're trying to select materials that will prevent this from happening as much as we possibly can. Although holes and tears can be a disruption to traveling around the world, acquiring an actual injury is far worse. So we are excited to announce the new Rogue impact protectors that KLIM has designed and developed specifically for this line of apparel. The pad itself is slimmer and more flexible and more breathable than anything that we have used in the past. And it's due to this reduction in thickness and more pliable material that we are excited to say that the Artemis is finally reaching level 2 impact protection, which is feedback we've received continually since its launch in 2018. Women riders want to have the equivalent protection of some of the men's gear that we've already provided. Another upgrade to this style is that we've decided to expose all of our venting this year. In the past, we've actually covered our vents with flaps, but this year we're ditching the bulk. We're exposing all of the vents. We have repositioned the forearm vent into a different location and added an additional bicep vent to move even more air to accommodate those hotter climates. Overall, the Artemis is a great option for any woman interested in joining this adventure riding community. Whether this is your first kit from KLIM or you simply want to upgrade your existing kit, the Artemis is definitely worth looking into, so go check it out.